Paper is a great way to add color or pattern to your pieces. For this method, you will need some pattern paper, any kind will do, a pencil, scissors, a glue stick, and an emery board. Start by tracing your shape onto the paper. We typically will choose to trace with the pattern up so we can make sure to get the piece placed correctly within the pattern. Just be sure to use a pencil so you can erase any lines that may be visible later on. Next, cut out the shape roughly with a pair of scissors. Don't worry about making it super detailed. Cut just outside the line to ensure your paper isn't too small. Once you have your paper piece cut out, coat the top of your MDF piece with a glue stick. Make sure to get all the way to the edges. Then add your paper, making sure that it is centered over the MDF piece. You may find it easier to flip the paper over and place the piece face down on top of it. Once it is placed, press firmly to ensure the paper is adhered across the whole piece. Rub from the center outwards to avoid any bubbles. Now you can remove the excess paper hanging over the edge with an emery board. Hold the file at about a 45-degree angle and pull it from the front towards the back. Repeat until the paper has been removed all the way around the piece. This method works best with simple shapes, but if you have a piece with a little more detail or a hard to reach area, you can cut up the emery board into smaller strips. Be sure to do this with caution. You can do this with any kind of paper, from wrapping paper to cardstock. With thicker papers, you may need multiple emery boards as they will dull as you work. Once you sand off all the excess paper, you have a paper-covered piece with a nice clean edge that is ready to be added to your pocket frame project. For more ideas on how to finish your pieces, check out our other technique videos on the Learn and Create page of our website.